Good morning, it's Stephen Weiss from the Photo Pros, formerly Creve Coeur Camera. I'm here to talk to you about preservation. The most important thing you can understand that we do is we preserve your family history. Doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter if it's a picture, a slide, whatever. We'll preserve it, we'll make it digital, we'll make copies of DVDs, USBs, whatever you want to give the whole family. If you pay attention for the next few minutes, I'll give you all the details and we can tell you everything we do. The part that we do the most of is we take pictures out of albums, in piles, anywhere you have them, bring them into us in boxes, label them however you want. We scan them and we give you a USB back, which has the files on it in whatever order you wanted them, and you can give that out to your family members so that everybody has the copies. We always recommend you put one in a safe deposit box so you have it forever. The other thing we do is tons of videotapes, VHS, Hi8, whatever the tapes may be. Even if they're broken, we can fix them. You bring them into us. We don't ship them outside the country. They stay right here down the street in St. Louis. We take them to our lab. We convert them all into DVDs or to USBs. And when you get back the little USB drive, you can have an individual file of each tape. You can also, again, make copies for family members. It's one of the most important things we do. And I guarantee you, when you look online, you're going to find them cheaper, but it's 3 to 4 months, and the stuff gets sent all over the world. It's kind of ridiculous. Our stuff goes right down the street. Our prices are the best, and our quality is the finest. Also, if you have rolls of old film, we don't care if it's color or black and white, we can scan it. It'll look like a positive. We can do the exact same thing. We can print it. We can put it on a USB. We can put it on a CD. Anything you want. We're here to preserve your memories. We all have these wonderful devices with thousands and thousands of pictures on them. You can bring us in your phone and we can take all your photographs off your phone and put them on a digital device, a USB drive, a USB hard drive, anything you want. The price starts at $50 and we can download thousands of pictures for you, and your phone doesn't go anywhere, or we can go online and get the data from you, whatever you want, but we're here to take care of you and make sure your photographs are safe. Also, people have thousands and thousands of slides. We've done orders into the thousands, like 15,000 slides. The price gets cheaper the more you bring us. We do the same exact thing. We scan them, they're positives. We put them into a file. You can make copies for the whole family. But those old slides, no one has slide projectors anymore. Nobody can get the actual bulbs. Once in a while we can find a bulb. But we're going to take your old family history and put it on a digital device, a USB drive, so the whole family can enjoy it. One of the other things that we do today is we do art scanning. A lot of artists bring us their paintings. We match the colors. We do beautiful copies of them so that they can make copies to sell across the world. We'll take your art, we'll color match it, we'll make a great copy of it, doesn't matter the size, and we'll make it look beautiful. The last thing I want to show you is a couple examples. Here is a restoration that came to us that you could barely see the color, and it's amazing what we come up with. Our artists are phenomenal at that. The other thing that I've done is this is the manifest from Ellis Island, and I've highlighted my grandfather's family. So we can take any sort of incredible document and copy it, and you can save it for the whole family. I just love having this around. It shows that my grandfather came over with his mother and his brother, and it's just an interesting document. So no matter what you have in the way of flat or film or digital or slides or VHS, bring them to us. Nothing leaves our office, or if it does, it goes down the street to our lab. We're going to take care of you. Preservation is the most important thing we do here at the Photo Pros. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 314-567-3456 or check us out online at photoprostl.com. It's Stephen signing off. Have a great day.